Best Cruiser Motorcycles 2025, BMW R12. BMW Motorrad has made waves in the motorcycle industry with the official unveiling of its highly anticipated R12 cruiser model, slated for release in 2025. This announcement marks BMW's bold entry into the cruiser segment, traditionally dominated by American and Japanese manufacturers, signaling a significant expansion of the German automaker's iconic motorcycle lineup. The BMW R12 promises to blend classic cruiser aesthetics with cutting-edge technology and performance, appealing to discerning riders seeking a perfect balance of style and functionality. Powered by an advanced 1,200 cubic centimeters boxer twin engine, the R12 delivers robust torque and smooth power delivery, ensuring a thrilling riding experience both on highways and urban streets. We are excited to introduce the BMW R12, a motorcycle that embodies our commitment to innovation, quality, and the thrill of riding, said Markus Schramm, head of BMW Motorrad. With its distinctive design and advanced features, the R12 sets a new standard in the cruiser segment, showcasing BMW's engineering prowess and passion for motorcycles. Visually striking, the BMW R12 features a streamlined silhouette complemented by premium finishes and attention to detail. The ergonomic design ensures rider comfort during long journeys, while state-of-the-art technology enhancements include advanced rider aids, adaptive cruise control, and a comprehensive suite of connectivity features. Industry analysts have praised BMW's entry into the cruiser market, noting that the R12's combination of performance, luxury, and technological innovation positions it as a formidable competitor to established brands like Harley-Davidson and Indian Motorcycle. The BMW R12 represents a significant step forward for the cruiser segment, blending BMW's signature engineering excellence with timeless cruiser design, commented automotive expert David Thompson. Its powerful engine, coupled with sophisticated features, makes it a compelling choice for riders looking for both performance and prestige. Anticipation among motorcycle enthusiasts worldwide is palpable as they await the official launch of the BMW R12 in 2025. With its distinctive blend of heritage-inspired styling, cutting-edge technology, and renowned German craftsmanship, the R12 aims to redefine expectations in the cruiser motorcycle market, solidifying BMW Motorrad's position as a leader in premium two-wheel transportation.